Welcome to this video tutorial on plagiarism. Today we'll define what plagiarism is, what its consequences are to you as a student, and how to avoid plagiarizing. TCC defines plagiarism as representing the words or ideas of another as one's own in any academic exercise. Plagiarism is using someone else's ideas as your own, whether it be in an essay, a discussion or blog post assignment, or even in an oral presentation. You might notice that I myself have used someone else's idea here, in this instance a direct quote from TCC's student handbook. To let you, the reader, know that it is not my idea, I've included an in-text citation directly after TCC's definition of plagiarism. It shows the name of my source and the page number on which that idea appears. The full publication information of my source is on my Works Cited page, which appears at the end of this video. The TCC Student Handbook lists several forms that plagiarism can take. Here are a few of those forms: word-for-word copying of another person's ideas or words, interspersing one's own words within a document while, in essence, copying another's work, rewriting another's work yet still using the original author's fundamental idea or theory, submitting another's work as one's own, or misciting or incorrectly quoting another person's ideas or words. Importantly, representing someone else's ideas as your own isn't limited to using the exact words of someone else. Even if you reword, paraphrase, or summarize another person's ideas, if you don't give that source credit, you are plagiarizing. TCC has strict policies against academic misconduct, and I'm pretty unforgiving about cheating. The student handbook states that faculty have the autonomy to address the incident directly and immediately. This includes any grade implications. In plain English, this means that your professor has the authority to invoke consequences if they believe you have plagiarized, including consequences to your grade in their class. In my classes, you will receive a failing grade for the entire course. There won't be any warnings or second chances for cheating. This may be a harsher consequence than you were used to in high school. Teachers may simply have given you a 0 on the assignment or a slap on the wrist, but this is college. If you plagiarize here, your academic career may be damaged in the same way that if you cheat or lie at a job, your career will be damaged or you might even go to jail. In addition to receiving a failing grade for the entire course, your name and the incident will also be filed in an academic misconduct report to the Dean of Student Affairs, and the Office of Judicial Affairs may also respond with appropriate institutional sanctions, which include but are not limited to probation, suspension, or expulsion, in addition to possible educational sanctions, which will be added to the student's conduct file. So now that you understand the potential consequences for plagiarism, how do you avoid it? It's simple. Learn and apply the citation format required for your assignments. English classes generally use the Modern Language Association, or MLA, style. Other classes may require different citation formats, like the American Psychological Association, or APA style, or the Chicago style. And if you're unsure which format to use, ask your professor. Again, importantly, cite every idea from another source. Even if you reword, paraphrase, or summarize someone else's ideas, if you don't give that source credit, you're plagiarizing. If you're so lost with regard to an assignment that you are actually considering intentionally plagiarizing, talk with your professor instead. We can help you find a solution to completing the assignment that doesn't involve cheating and potentially damaging your academic career. And here you see that I've applied what the MLA citation format requires at the end of a document, a Works Cited page that shows the full publication information of every source that I used in-text citations for in my video. In-text citations tag another source's idea. The Works Cited page gives the reader all the information they need to find that source in the library, on the internet, or wherever it may appear. I only used ideas from one source in this video, TCC's Student Handbook, but if I had used any others, I would have tagged their ideas with other in-text citations throughout my video and included a Works Cited entry for them here. That's it. Good luck, be diligent in citing your sources, and have a great semester.